In this video, I will show you a program that will pay you on autopilot for simply copying and pasting certain text and photos in under 10 minutes. And you could cash out anywhere from $50 to $300. This is a great way to make money online, and you could use the extra cash for whatever you like. Maybe you have been wanting to go on holiday or pay off debts, or maybe you just want a way to make money online that is simple to do, fast, and can give you extra income every single day. This strategy is very unique and it does not require any selling, social media followers, and best of all, there is no upfront investment. You can get paid a ton of money on autopilot, and if you have a phone or a computer, you can begin earning money immediately after watching this video. So make sure you do stick around and pay close attention, as I will be showing you step by step how to get this set up to start earning money straight away. And you don't want to miss any important steps that might prevent you from getting paid correctly. With that being said, let's jump into this video and learn about this amazing method to make money online. The first thing you are going to want to do is go to a website which is called Zazzle.com. Zazzle.com is a website that allows you to create items like fabric, mugs, stickers and postcards for completely free. What you can then do is upload them to the Zazzle.com website, and you can use this website to sell your items for you and make money online. So when you get to this website, the first thing I want you to do is come to the top of the website, click on the search bar, and then you want to enter postcards. You can see here there are actually a lot of results for the word postcard. For instance, this person right here is selling postcards for $1.50, and you can see there are actually a lot of people selling postcards on this website. Next, what you want to do is scroll down the page and you will see a section called Create Your Design. But what we want to do is scroll down a little bit further to see all the results for postcards. You will see there are nearly 2 million different designs and templates available. There are blank designs and templates, so you actually have a ton of options available. This is amazing because you can design a e-postcard or digital postcard in minutes on the Zazzle.com website, and of course sell them for a lot of money online. Every time someone buys a postcard on this website, you will make anywhere from $1 to $2 over and over again. And the great thing is that Zazzle.com will handle all the selling for you, so you can just simply send out 30 postcards every day on autopilot. If you do this, you can make a profit of $45 every single day, which means you can easily make $1,350 every month. In just a moment, I will show you the exact process of how to go ahead and create an e-postcard on this website for completely free and then sell them online. The process is beginner friendly and it's super simple, so if you have been looking for a way to make money online, then make sure you follow the steps carefully and pay close attention so you can make your first $1,000 online. If you're using an Android phone, what you will need to do is go to the Google Play Store and you want to download the Zazzle Create, Design and Shop app. Make sure you look out for the app that has this logo so that you do download the correct app. If you're using an iPhone, you need to go to the App Store and again look out for the correct app with this logo. For a laptop or a computer, all you need to do is simply go to Zazzle.com and click the Sell on Zazzle.com button, which is located in the top right hand corner, to get registered for a free account. Next, you want to click the blue register button here to get signed up, or alternatively you can do a quick sign up with either a Facebook, Google or Apple account. After you have completed the form, make sure you do check your email and click the link in the welcome email to activate your account. Once you've signed up for a free account, all you need to do is come back to Zazzle.com and you want to click onto the create button, which is located here. And what it's going to do is take you to a page where you can start creating many different products, including gift cards and postcards that you can of course sell for a lot of money. From here, click on the blank template which says make your own, which will take you to a page that looks like this, where you can start making different designs for all the different products available. And don't worry, as this is very easy to use, and later on in this video I will show you in depth how to make a design, so make sure you keep watching and don't go anywhere. So if you look to the left, you will see all the different things you can add to your design, like different shapes and images of animals, vehicles and many more. Of course, you can design other items, but postcards is definitely one of the more popular and trending items on this website, where thousands of different postcards are sold every single month. After you have created your design, all you need to do is simply upload it to Zazzle.com and you will be able to start making money online. One thing I want to mention at this point is that after you have uploaded your design, the postcard will just earn you money over and over again on autopilot, so this is a great stream of passive income. In just a moment, I will show you how to use this tool to create your designs, but before I do that, if you are enjoying this video, then be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with the latest and easiest ways to make money online. And if you do have any questions at all regarding this method, then feel free to drop a comment below and I will be more than happy to help. So let's get back to the video and learn how to make a design. Coming back to the editor, you can click on elements in this menu on the left hand side and you can add anything you want from the choices available. In this example, I'm going to add a butterfly. So all I need to do is simply click this butterfly and then what I'm going to do is drag it over to the postcard. You have the option to make each element smaller and bigger, and all I'm going to do is add some text on top. To do this, what I'm going to do is just click onto text right here on the left hand side and then click on the blue add text button. Once you've added your text, you can choose from a variety of different fonts and colours, and then you would just go ahead and type your text. To change the text, all you need to do is simply click onto the text and you can go ahead and enter whatever you want into the box. You can make the text bigger or smaller, and the same goes for the elements and images you add to your design. As you can see, this tool is really easy to use and you can create a number of different designs in minutes. Once you've created your postcard, you may sell them for a lot of money, starting at $1.20 or even $1.50. And because they are so easy to make, you can make a ton of different designs, and of course the more designs you have, the more money you will make. A bonus tip I want to share with you is that if you don't want to make your postcard, you can actually go ahead and click on the template. For example, here is a great postcard that we can use to make with just one click of a button. By doing this, the process becomes virtually automated and on autopilot as everything is done for you, and if you want, you can make additional changes to these templates. For example, I can just double click here and change the text, and if the text is too big, I can simply adjust the text to make it smaller. Once done, just go ahead and click onto OK. So there are some bonus strategies that I now want to share with you, which will help you to make even more money online than other people that do use this website. So when you first visit this website, you actually see a pop-up window which should say receive $25 to spend each time you refer a friend. If you go to Zazzle.com's homepage and scroll down to the very bottom of the page, you'll see a link you can click which says refer friend. What you can do is just click on this link right here, and you can even customize it to make it your own personal referral link. So here is my personalized link, and I've used Online Money Tree as my username. If you share this link with a friend, your friend will receive a $25 Zazzle.com discount code which they can use to purchase your postcard. As an example, if you were selling a postcard for $1.20, you can of course get your friend to buy 10 or 20 of them with the free money that Zazzle provides. In addition to this, a lot of others will buy from you at the same time. All you have to do is enter your email address and then go ahead and click the enter button to get started, and you will be able to set up a custom referral link that you can use straight away. Next, all you want to do is copy this link and post it on the internet, so you can post it on things like Facebook, Twitter or any other social media, and everyone that signs up with your link will get $25 free. Of course, once they've signed up, you just need to ask them to purchase your postcard with the free $25. It's a win-win because they will get free postcards and you will get $25. This is a highly effective method that few people are aware of, but make sure that you create a variety of various designs for different postcards on this website for free to make the most money with this strategy. You can actually get a lot of people to buy from you by simply sending them the custom link and giving them $25 for free, and that's going to help a lot of people to buy from you. Now, if you are looking for more ways to make money online, then I do actually have another method which you are going to absolutely love, which actually allows you to make money online just by reading, and you can check that out by clicking the video that pops up on screen now. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and do hit that notification bell to stay up to date with the latest and easiest ways to make money online. And if you did find this video valuable, then make sure to like the video. Again, if you do have any questions regarding this method, then don't hesitate to drop a comment below. So I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.